How to clean Xiaomi Tower Fan. Remove 2 screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. Insert a screwdriver into the hole to allow the turbine to spin freely. Then, use a pressurized hose to spin the turbine and force out any dirt from the inside. Use the screwdriver again and blow air into it with a blower to remove excess water. This ensures no moisture is left inside. For the final step, place a bottle underneath to catch any remaining water. Then use the blower one last time to fully dry the turbine. Once it's dry, apply some grease to the tip. Then reassemble everything. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.